Hi everyone. So what we're going to be doing is talking about the three first groups. When we go to the periodic table, we're going to be talking about alkali metals, alkali earth metals, and rare earth metals, or the aluminum group. We're skipping over transition metals for a reason. Okay. One point to note is that hydrogen is not in this group. Hydrogen is by itself, it's its own element. Remember, we colored four different, we use four different colors for a periodic table, and hydrogen was by its class, a class by itself. Okay, so the first one is aluminum or alkaline metals, alkali or alkaline metals. These guys are very important for a variety of reasons. Lithium is there to make our moods regulated. Sodium, what we eat for table salt, is sodium chloride. Now, both of those are very, very dangerous chemicals. You'll watch in the video right here that that sodium explodes. I actually have some. Pretty cool. I wish we were watching that. This is one of my favorite videos here. So you're going to answer these questions via Peridot, and that's how you're going to get your grade for this lesson. Okay? So I'll also put that in the classroom notes so that you guys understand that that is the expectation. You're also going to watch another video. These are very short, about 4 minutes, about 1 minute. Okay. We have alkaline earth metals. So instead of watching a video, I have a infograph here. Okay, and this is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium and radium. These two guys, actually these three guys, can get radioactive, especially these two. Just a side note, one of the questions pertains to calcium, and it's a metal that we absorb within our bones to make our bones strong. Our bones are actually a salt compound. Okay. However, these both have two valence electrons, and so our bones will start absorbing strontium. And that's where we can tell if we, one, were born before 1945, the first atomic bomb. Two, is if we've lived in areas where there's high radiation consistencies. Okay, really pretty cool. I do have two questions pertaining to that, three questions. Side note, Dr. News' first name is Burl, and actually Burl is another name for sapphire, if you look here. And I did not, excuse me, an emerald, not a sapphire, an emerald. Emeralds are green, sapphires are blue. So beryl is another name for an emerald, and so just to let you guys know, okay? That is something I just learned. Okay, that makes sense of why it's called beryl, or AKA emerald. The last one is rare earth metals, and that name is very deceiving. We have boron and we have aluminum. These are actually the two most common elements in our soil. However, aluminum is not ored, is not found like you would have for copper or iron or lead. They don't come out in chunks. It's a really fine dust. And it's very, very hard to obtain, but it's present. Aluminum's got a lot of cool features you'll see in this video. And I have some questions pertaining to that to the very end. Okay? All right? Okay, guys. Thanks.